was the point where you realized this wasn't just a fad or easy money? Like, this is where you were going to build the foundation. This is where, like, this is what was going to work, and this is how you're going to set you and your family free. Because, like, you love the lifestyle. You tout the lifestyle. You're like, we're going back to Hawaii. We're going to England. Yeah. So, like, when did you get to that point where you're like, we're at that point, like, let's go take a freaking vacation?
Well, the point where we took a vacation. So we let's see here. So probably my big first success, a lot of people might know this that are listening, might not, was the ClickFunnels dream car. That was like my big first affiliate success. I'd had like a bunch of small ones up till then. But as a background of that, once you get 100 active ClickFunnels users that have signed up under your link as an affiliate, you get a car, right? A free car. And so I was at like 20 or 30 when it was like, when it finally dawned, right? Like a third of the way there, like, oh, this could be real, right? I could actually win this car. Like in the beginning, it's just kind of like this, yeah, it's like, you're not really thinking it's going to happen when you try, but I don't know. Once you actually start to see success, you think it could happen. And so somewhere around there, I think it's going to happen. And that's when I talked to my wife and we actually set up all these plans. I was like, when I hit 100, we're going to go do this. And I think it was Hawaii. And I said, when I make my first 6-figure income off of my online business, we're going to go to Europe. And we still haven't done that yet, but it's still on the promise. It's still being, I still owe it. So it's got to happen. I do think it's really important to set timelines and goals and things like that, right? Of like your goal can't be, just to make 7 figures and retire, right? Like that can be your long-term goal, but if that's like your one goal, then you're going to fizzle out. So you've got to set those little mini goals of like, I'm going to get to 50 and then I'm going to take my family, right? We're going to go down to this place and we're going to spend a few days there and it's going to be awesome, And then after that, we'll set up another goal that's like, it's close enough that I can see it, and see it coming in the next few months or year or whatever.